Okay, guys, we're back at it. We're going to do some math. Hopefully, you did your math warm up. This is the math lesson. All right, so in your notebook, find a brand new page. Find a brand new page, and you're going to have to break it into 3 sections. So if I zoom out, you can see what I did. So this is my page. So you, as best as you can. Now, if you want, yeah. So do the best you can to break it into 3 columns. Now, if you're having trouble doing this, another idea is you could like turn it sideways. So like you could hold it this way and do it. You could turn your whole notebook, if you want. Turn your notebook and break it into 3 columns. If that makes it easier for you, either way. All right. So in the first column, we're gonna write the top. We're gonna write a couple words. Less than 1. So those are our fractions of less than 1. I'll go over that in a second. In the middle, we're just going to write 1. Like one whole pie, one whole pizza. Over here, something new today. Greater than 1. So that means more than 1 pizza. More than 1 whole pizza. More than 1 whole box of brownies. Greater than 1. So greater than 1, 1 whole box, less than 1. So here's what they look like as pictures. So over here, we're going to draw a rectangle, and we're going to break it into 4 pieces. So here is our rectangle. It's a horrible rectangle. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a line in the middle, bring a line in the middle, left side line, and the right side, make another line. So that's 4 pieces. So that's in fourths. We're going to do the same thing in the middle. Draw a rectangle. And break it in fourths. And we're going to do the same thing on the side. Rectangle. And you guessed it. We're going to break it in fourths. Okay. So here's what less than 1 means. Less than 1 means less than a whole box. So imagine this is a box of brownies. I don't have a whole box. Nope. Someone opened it up and took one out. So I have, let's go with 3. I have 3 brownies out of 4. That's definitely less than a whole box. Right? 3 out of 4. So that's less than 1. I don't have a whole box. That's less than 1. If I move over, this is 1 whole box. So if I have a whole box of brownies, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 4 will be there, right? That's 1 whole box. So let's see if you guys can find the pattern. Less than 1, I have 3 brownies out of 4. I have 4 brownies out of 4 for a whole box. Over here now, something new. We're going to have 5 fourths. Okay, so how do we draw this? So this is greater than 1. So we're going to have more than 1 whole box. So this means, the 4 means I have a brownie box that holds 4, but I have 5 brownies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This now means I have to bring in another box. I have to bring in another box for that 5th brownie. So this is what they mean by greater than 1, meaning we have more than 1 whole box. And usually, not usually, when the top number, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, you're going to get more than 1 whole pizza, more than 1 whole box. Okay, watch, ready? If I do this, what does that make it now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will change to a 6 fourths, right? If I do this, what is that? What happens now? 7 fourths. If I do this, what happens now? 8 fourths. And you know what 8 fourths equals? I'll write it over here so you guys can see it a little better. 8 fourths equals, how many whole boxes of brownies do I have now? I have 1 whole box here. I have 1 whole box here. So that equals 2 whole boxes. 8/4. So that's greater than 1. That's how that works. So let's see. What if we do this? Let's see if you guys can figure out the fraction of this greater than 1 problem. Let's pretend these are equal pieces. Okay, so I know it's greater than 1. You know why? Because I don't have 1 whole pizza. No, I have 2 whole pizzas. Question is, what's the fraction? Well, just like before with the brownies, how many brownies go to a container or a box? 4 go to a box, right? 4 go to a box. So in this case, I have 3 to a box, right? 3 goes to a box. So the bottom number is going to be a 3. And let's see. And these should be, these are all shaded in. How many slices do we have altogether? So the top number is how many slices altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Greater than 1. Yeah. All right, let's try another one. What if we did this? What if we draw 2 circles, right? And we'll cut them like this now. And we'll shade that in. We'll shade that in. We'll shade these in. So it's definitely greater than 1, right? So I don't have 1 pizza. No, I have more than 1. It's greater than 1. Okay, so what's the fraction? Let's check it out. I have two pizzas, right? How many slices go to a box? If I was boxing up slices, how many go to a box? 2, right? I could stick 2 in this box. I could stick 2 in that box. So 2 slices go to a box. How many slices do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So that means if you're going to draw it, you're going to have more than 1 whole. Let's try one more before we wrap things up. I'll give you a drawing problem. You guys like to draw? No, good. 9/3. How would you draw this? How would you draw that? Okay. Well, the bottom number tells you how many to a box. So 3, that means it's 3 slices to a box. Or if I'm talking about brownies, like 3 to a box, right? The 9 tells me how many I have altogether. I have 9. So if I start filling them in, I have to get to 9. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm not even close. So I have to draw another box. And I know it's going to be 3 to a box, right? So I keep going. 4, 5, 6. I have to get to 9, don't I? So I have to draw another container of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9/3 equals how many whole boxes? 1, 2, 3 equals 3 whole boxes. What do you guys think? You want to do one more? Let's do one more. Yeah, you said that. Like, no more. All right, last one. Draw 2 pizzas, 2 circles, and we'll just do this. Boom, boom. Okay, so I know I have 2 whole pizzas. It's greater than 1, so I know the top number is going to be bigger. What's the fraction? How do I do this? If they're all there. Well, the bottom number tells me, the denominator tells me how much can I stick in each box. I could stick 4 in that one. I could stick 4 in that one. So it's 4 to a box. How many do I actually have? Slices all together, if I count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/4. Okay, guys, so that was a crash course lesson in fractions greater than 1. That means you're going to get more than a box of pizza, more than a box of brownies is greater than 1, right? And the top number will always be bigger than the bottom number. All right, I might give you a question. Be on the lookout for it.